everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run Instagram Reels ads. Want to promote your Instagram Reels and reach more people? In this video, I'll show you how to run Instagram Reels ads using Meta Ads Manager. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Meta Ads Manager, and to do that, just go to Facebook Ads Manager ads business.facebook.com. Let's go to this website right here. Let's choose a browser. I'm gonna choose Chrome for this tutorial, and then I'm gonna look for Facebook Business Manager and click on it. After that, make sure you log in using your account. Once you log in, click on Create to start a new ads campaign. The second step is to choose the right campaign objective. You can select engagement or video views to promote your reels. Just click on continue to set up the campaign. The third step is to select reels as the placements. Under ad set, scroll down to placements and click manual placements and select Instagram reels. After that, upload or select your reel. And to do that, just under add creative, click using existing posts, and if you already posted the reel you're uploading a new one, click on add media and then upload video. As for the fifth and final step, set budget and target audience, and choose your daily or lifetime budget and select a target audience based on age, interests and location. And after that, launch your ad by clicking publish to start running your Instagram Reels ad. And that's it. Now you know how to run Instagram Reel ads. Follow these steps to reach more views and grow your audience. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.